In this video, we will be discussing the importance of using volume analysis as well as average true range within your trading strategies. Often traders, especially new traders, find it difficult to understand why markets and price action are not moving the way they used to. Or, for example, the markets are not moving as they were last year, or last month, to this year or this month, for any respective time period. Now, the average true range could give us a huge clue as to what to expect in the current time and why this was the case. But first, let's look at the volume feature on your chart. Now, you can make this a regular component on your chart by right-clicking and selecting Properties. And then from here, click Show from the common part, click Show Volumes. You'll see the green bars form an array just below the chart here. Another way to see this is to select Indicator, and then Volumes, and then Volumes. Here you'll see another pop-up box come up, and this will display two bars, one green, one red. The green showing a higher volume than the last, and the red showing the lower volume than the last, respective. Please do note, these volumes do not show underlying liquidity in FX. However, it shows the number of price changes during each period of this chart's time frame. So for argument's sake, this is a daily chart that we're looking at. Often, declining volumes, as you can see here, can signify a larger move in the market, as you've seen here from the bottom, and then you had a spur up. Similarly, with larger volumes, you could also signify other moves on the horizon, which can be beneficial when trading chart patterns. Now, the average true range, or the ATR, is not an indicator that you really need to monitor every day, but would advise you to look at it once every other week or once every month. Could be a good idea. So how to get it on your chart? Well, what you do is you open indicators, hit oscillators, and then average true range. Now, the default setting is 14, and when used on the daily chart, it looks at the last 14 days, as you can see here. Now, if we look at the pound dollar, typically it doesn't really have such a large range, but as you can see, the beginning of the year, it moved up to 176 points range, and if we see today's level, it's at 127 points, so almost a 50% difference from the beginning of the year. Now, this may not seem so important if you're a new trader who has discovered a good strategy and wondering why this strategy doesn't work anymore. So do refer to a more normalized average true range. Let's have a look again at another example. If we look at the Brexit referendum here during June 2016, you can see the true range at that time was 351 points. So if you remove this, you can if you zoomed out, you can see the true range going from 357 points during the referendum to 124. So that looks to be the normal, and these events could cause anomalies within your analysis period. So do account for that, especially during your strategy backtesting analysis for forward testing. So in this video, we've covered reading volumes in MT4, and as well as using the average true range to gauge market activity. Hope this video has been useful, and for any questions, please do contact us. Thank you very much.